Hi, and welcome back to Mr. Petrimo's tutorials. Today we're going to learn how to manipulate the sound options and turn a headset on or off or mute your sound. In the bottom right corner of your system tray, you're going to have some options. Mine is very clearly right here. You'll see the little speaker symbol that you can click on, and then it'll pop open my headset settings. I can then click on that and choose between my speakers, my display audio, or the headphones that I'm using right now. In order to test those, I can quickly adjust the volume, and I should hear the little bling in my headphone. If you do not hear that bling, your headphones are offline. Sometimes on the student computers, you may have to go into this little vertical arrow here and click that to find your sound symbol. It'll be one of these symbols here. Mine is built into the tray, so it's right in front of me. So if I want to just mute my headsets, I can click right here, and the X symbol means I am muted. Thank you very much for watching another tutorial.